So just like yesterday, guys, we're going to follow the same routine just like we would in the classroom. Start with math boxes, and you have to watch the video to know which pages you're supposed to be on. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention. You're going to do math boxes. Try those on your own, and then you can check your answers here. If you're having trouble with any of the math boxes up here, please don't get frustrated. Just come straight down here to the video, watch the second video, and you can do the math boxes with me, just pausing as we go. Okay. Now the lesson today is a little bit longer than normal. It's about 15 minutes, but there's some new information in there. So you're going to want to pause it, take some notes on this, guys, because we continue where we left off yesterday we were talking about the tenths place, and then today we are going to add the hundredths place. Okay, so some new information. Okay, and no home links homework. Okay, so you have enough to do with your book club, so no home links tonight.